Thutha wa maundu mothe kuonekana kuhanika, muthia mundu acokagia maitho na makinya na muciĩ, na nikio ria wari Prime Minister na mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM maganitwo ni andu a nyumba yake magitongorio ni mwari Rosemary Odinga uria ugite ithe ndarare ithe kuri o mari aika indi arare ithe wa bururi mugima.
Pia mnasikia uchungu mwingi sana kwa sababu hata baba alikuwa baba wetu, alikuwa baba setu sote. To me, he was my advisor, he was a friend, he was also someone who understood me very well.
Thutha wake gutaburukia muturire wake uria uratarie mari na ithe, mwaro woererwo ni Mũriũ Odinga Junior uria uganite ithe ta njamba itakariganira na kuria ugite kurumirira makinya ma ithe na gutigirira ni akinyaniria maundu maria ithe arendete.
I will continue to fight for values he believed in: justice, fairness, and service to others. I am very alive to the fact that my brother Fidel is gone. I remain the gentleman of the family.
Winnie Odinga nake ageitirira ithe ngoga mama akiuga ithe akurite agibatithagio maritwa ma ucamba kumana na ucamba wake, ucamba uria to bururi wa Kenya uratamburite indi ni the hard hothe ya Roma.
I learned from him that love for country is not just in words but in sacrifice. That justice must be pursued even when the path is lonely. The true leadership is service and not power.
Ihinda-inĩ o rĩu mũrũ wa nyina na Raila Odinga uria mukuru Oburu Odinga akiuga ni ate mundu wa bata uria thengia wa gukorwo ari mũrũ wa nyina arari mũrata wa hakuhi na muonjoria na makiria kiririkana ikiro nyingi cia mwanya na cia bata iria manakirania.
Raila was more than a brother to me. He was my friend. He was my age mate, he was my advisor, and he was my confidant, and he was everything including business partnership.
Mothe kenda ni mutumia wa Raila, Ida Odinga, akioya kanya guitirira muthuriwe ngoga cia mwanya, akiuga mahitukiire maundu maingi na manene indi undu uria wa mwanya angienda kuririkana muthuriwe naguo ni mundu urendete thayo guku akiuria Kenya kuhimbiria thayo na kuthingata o ta uria muthuriwe arendete.
He hated dishonesty. He hated greed. The greed that have affected the main fabric of our society. The greed that leads to stealing from the public coffers. The greed of that leads to corruptions. Be the mountain top where the sun shines on a mountain.
Kwiragwo ruo rutiguanagirwo indi maria makorwo makiumira kiharo-ini giki ruo rwahana ta rwaiguanirwo kurumirira ndumiriri iria ciarekererio ni andu a nyumba na arata makigana Raila Odinga ta mundu matakariganirwo muturire-ini wao. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV ndi kiharo-ini kia Nyayo Stadium mucii wa Nairobi. Ritwa riakwa ni Ikua wa Boshi.